Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook Y'all. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome. We're really glad you're here. We hope you like what you'll see and you'll hit that red subscribe button. We're back with a new week of meals. We had a few changes to our schedule this week, but we've still got to eat. So I hope you enjoy this week's video. Sunday after church, we went to our local Mexican place where last time we had a really large platter of fajitas to split. This time it was significantly smaller. Luckily, it was still delicious. Monday night, I made a very simple supper. I sauteed some cabbage with bacon on the stove, and then on the oven, I put a sheet pan with some chicken sausages. I think these are the mozzarella and garlic ones from Sam's Club, some onions for me, and some peppers for Tim. That's what's for dinner tonight. We are just about out of cool evening, so we decided to have for dessert one more mug of hot cocoa. Tuesday brought about a pleasant surprise. We found out that our great niece Caitlin's track meet had been moved close to our house, so we got to watch her pole vault and run the 4x800 relay. It's Tuesday night and we had a change of plans. We saw this young lady pole vault and run, and she picked Zaxby's. She's got, what'd you get?
Chicken nibblers and fries.
Chicken nibblers. Her mom is not here. Got a sandwich. Her Aunt Liz got fried pickles. Tim got fried chicken fingers. I got grilled chicken fingers, and Gail got grilled chicken fingers. And that's what's for dinner Tuesday. It's Wednesday night. I had a very busy day, so I had something very easy on the menu. It's just chili dogs. I did the hot dogs in the air fryer, some chili from a can on the stove, and chips, and I'm gonna get some fruit for dessert. Tim is still at the golf course because the sun is shining. That is what's for dinner Wednesday. Woo-hoo! By Thursday, things had calmed down a little bit. I was ready to get back in the kitchen and cook. I had pork chops on the menu earlier in the week, so we pulled them out today using my favorite new seasoning, the Trader Joe's 21 Season Salute. I parboiled the potatoes early in the afternoon and then pan roasted those. And I also did some zucchini and onions, and I did the pork chops in the air fryer. Thursday night is traditionally leftover night in our house, but I felt like cooking since I've kind of been skating the last couple of days. I did the pork chops in the air fryer just with a little bit of salt and the 21 Season Salute. Pan roasted the potatoes in the skillet, and also did in another skillet some sauteed zucchini with onions, and that's what's for dinner tonight. It's Friday night and we've had a very busy, very unusual week, and I'm back in the kitchen cooking. I have made shrimp and grits, which is one of our favorite things. Very New Orleans, very Southern, and very delicious. We are digging in.
Oh mama.
Oh mama, that's good. That's what's for dinner. It's Saturday and we are having another of the kits that we got from the fundraiser from Little Caesar. These are the Italian cheese bread. We're just gonna have this like a cheese pizza, a big salad. I've also got some carrots and hummus. We might have some dessert later, we'll have to see.
I'm all about some dessert.
That's gonna wrap up this week's What's for Dinner. As always, thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook Y'all. Hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Come back next week. We're gonna try a new recipe and revive an old one. We do these every week. See y'all in the next video.
I just can't wait.